Have you ever wondered how to write a Twitter post? In this video, I will show you 5 steps on how to post your Twitter post. Twitter threads let you share information, tell stories, and have conversations with your audience. Alright, so how do you write a Twitter thread? Well, that's simple. The first step is you need to know what you're talking about. You need to have a story or an idea in mind, and then break that down into bite-sized chunks of information that are then easily digestible, one tweet at a time. The second step is equally simple. You simply open the Twitter app on your phone, and then in the bottom right corner, there's a plus symbol. You click that. This will prompt you to start your first tweet and type it in. You then click the plus symbol at the right top corner of the keyboard. This will be the second tweet of your thread. You type in your second part of the thread and once again, click the plus symbol at the bottom corner. This will be your third tweet in the thread, and you write out the third post in your thread. You continue doing that until you have all of the posts in your thread. The last step, step 5, is to click the tweet all button at the top right corner of the screen. This will post all of the tweets all at once in one single thread. And there you have it. You will get a notification that all tweets have been sent out, and you can find them on your profile at the top of your screen. So now that you know how to create a thread, the real question is, how do I make this go viral? For that, I have made a separate video and I've linked it right here. And here's one bonus tip for you. Just get started. There's no better way of finding out how to do a thread or how to go viral than just trying it out. So I would recommend you just pull out your phone, you just pause the video right away, and you just post your first thread with 5 different tweets. And in the last tweet, you can just tag me if you want. You can just say @MoLuker, and I will be the first person to like and comment on it so that you go viral.